history of China. Hi, this is Michnia. Welcome to UpLife, a place where we empower personal growth. I've been in China for 8 months now. Actually, I think I arrived exactly on August 11th and today is April 11th. That's 8 months ago. And we moved here from Thailand, where I have been living for 16 years. My wife lived there for 11 years. We made the choice to move to China and work in a different international environment. Now, almost the day I arrived in China, I looked around for a history of China. I even asked my father if there's a history of China back home in Romania so he can send me the book with my family who visited me, but he couldn't find one. So I kept looking and I finally found a history of China. Guess where? On our friendly Taobao store. So today we're doing an unboxing of my history of China. Actually, it's an unwrapping. I ordered it only 2 days ago and it has already arrived. So without further ado, let's open this beauty. As you can see here, I have my flag of China, a beautiful fan from Japan, and my Japanese knife. All right, let's do this. And obviously there's also a pair of scissors in case we need it. Let's open this up here. Well packed in this bubble wrap. It was a brand new book, so wow. And here we go. Hardcover book. History of China from earliest times to the last emperor. Edited by Michael Dillon. I think it was published in China. There's some characters here in Chinese. It might be published in China. Alright, National Publishing Foundation. So this will be a local official history of China up to the last emperor. Official cover price 250 yuan. Actually, I paid half of that on Taobao. The benefits of buying online, you don't have to pay for all the extra costs that go into running a bookshop. So let's open it up. Let me not mess it up here. Nicely wrapped in Why is this taking so long? And look at this beauty. We got a sleeve here. Wow, look at the quality of this cover. Beautiful. And yeah, no surprises. The book is in English. Got some illustrations in colors. Very nice. Very, very nice. So let's see. The book was edited by Michael Dillon. Who is Michael Dillon? He is an independent China specialist with expertise in teaching the history, politics, and society of the Chinese world and the Chinese language. Previously, he taught courses on modern China, Chinese history, and Chinese language at the University of Durham, where he was founding director of the Center for Contemporary Chinese Studies. So it seems to be legit. The book chronicles the evolution of China from the mists of antiquity to the final days of the empire in 1911. I'm so glad that I finally found a decent sized history of China. I can't wait to start reading it, and who knows, I might be even sharing some of ideas and facts that I learned from this new book. The thing about moving to another country is that you're moving to another culture. You are immersing yourself into a new civilizations, new customs, and there's a different psyche that each country has. So learning the history of that country, I believe, will help with understanding the people you actually work with, and in my case, even with the students that I teach. So that was our little unwrapping of the history of China from earliest times to the last emperor. I will look it up on Amazon and see the reviews. Now, I didn't have too many choices. This was the only one that I found on Taobao. So I hope it's a good one. I'll leave a link in the description below to the Amazon store. You might be interested in buying it or browsing it. All right. Until next time, let's put my Japanese knife back. This is Michnia logging off from Beijing. Ciao. Happy reading.